Hi viewers, welcome to AQC Media YouTube channel. Now we are going to see black gram wholesale price in major parts of Indian market. Marketplace Kadalur, Tamil Nadu. Urad bean arrival 560 kg, minimum price 59 rupees 59 paise and maximum price 61 rupees 69 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Kallakurichi, Tamil Nadu. Urad bean arrival 1500 kg, minimum price 57 rupees 99 paise and maximum price 68 rupees 60 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Papanasam. Urad bean arrival 1100 kg, minimum price 61 rupees and maximum price 65 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Yagadurgam, Tamil Nadu. Urad bean arrival 1000 kg, minimum price 59 rupees 69 paise and maximum price 63 rupees 89 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Velur, Tamil Nadu. Black gram arrival 330 kg, maximum price 61 rupees 10 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Tirumalagiri, Telangana. Black gram arrival 5000 kg, minimum price 46 rupees 59 paise and maximum price 56 rupees 59 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Tattanjavadi, Pondicherry. Black gram arrival 35,000 kg, minimum price 25 rupees and maximum price 67 rupees 59 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Amaravati, Maharashtra. Black gram arrival 5000 kg, minimum price 45 rupees and maximum price 51 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Karanja, Maharashtra. Black gram arrival 16,000 kg, minimum price 37 rupees 5 paise and maximum price 53 rupees 5 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Mumbai, Maharashtra. Black gram arrival 1000 kg, minimum price 55 rupees and maximum price 60 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Kottayam, Kerala. Black gram arrival 750 kg, minimum price 98 rupees and maximum price 112 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Neeliswaram, Kerala. Black gram arrival 2000 kg, minimum price 104 rupees and maximum price 106 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Palakkad, Kerala. Black gram arrival 2000 kg, minimum price 90 rupees and maximum price 110 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Bangalore, Karnataka. Black gram arrival 6000 kg, minimum price 80 rupees and maximum price 95 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Bellary, Karnataka. Black gram arrival 2000 kg, minimum price 30 rupees 33 paise and maximum price 63 rupees 39 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Gulbarga. Black gram arrival 3000 kg, minimum price 41 rupees and maximum price 64 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. Black gram arrival 4200 kg, minimum price 61 rupees 79 paise and maximum price 62 rupees 89 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Black gram arrival 7000 kg, minimum price 80 rupees and maximum price 81 rupees 20 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. Black gram arrival 25,000 kg, minimum price 79 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 80 rupees 50 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Black gram arrival 16,000 kg. Minimum price 75 rupees and maximum price 78 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Black gram arrival 1 lakh kg. Minimum price 66 rupees and maximum price 67 rupees 50 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Black gram arrival 6,000 kg. Minimum price 73 rupees and maximum price 73 rupees 80 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Meerut. Black gram arrival 6,500 kg. Minimum price 78 rupees 85 paise and maximum price 82 rupees 50 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Maidimpur West Bengal. Black gram arrival 13,000 kg. Minimum price 94 rupees and maximum price 96 rupees per 1 kg. If this video is useful, kindly like and share to everyone. Thank you for watching.